विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आत्तापर्यंत आपण अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन चॅप्टरमध्ये TN दॅट इज nth टर्म आणि SN दॅट इज सम ऑफ n टर्म्स यासाठी फॉर्म्युले बघितले, त्यावरचे एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व केले. त्याचबरोबर अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशनचे ॲप्लिकेशन्स आपण बघितले, वर्ड प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व केले. मागच्या तासाला आपण प्रॉब्लेम सेट 3 मधील एक्झाम्पल 8पर्यंतचे एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही होमवर्क म्हणून सॉल्व केले. त्यामध्ये काही एक्झाम्पल आपण सॉल्व केले होते. नाऊ वी आर गोइंग टू सी सम अनदर एक्झाम्पल्स फ्रॉम प्रॉब्लेम सेट 3. सी example number 3. There are 37 terms in an AP. The sum of middle 3 terms is 225 and the sum of last 3 terms is 429. Find the arithmetic progression. Here, to find the middle 3 terms, we have given that there are 37 terms. Therefore, here n is equal to 37. 37 is odd number. Therefore, middle term will be n plus 1 upon 2, that is 37 plus 1 upon 2, 38 upon 2 is equal to 19. Therefore, 19th term is middle term, but we want middle 3 terms. Therefore, 18th, 19th and 20th term are middle 3 terms. Now, from given condition, what is first condition? Sum of middle 3 terms is 225, that is T18 plus T19 plus T20 is equal to 225. But we have formula for nth term. Here formula is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. For 18th term it will be a plus 18 minus 1 into d. For 19th term a plus 19 minus 1 into d. For 20th term formula will be a plus 20 minus 1 into d is equal to 225. Therefore, a plus 17d plus a plus 18d plus a plus 19d is equal to 225. Therefore, a plus a 3 times 3a plus 17d plus 18d plus 19d, sum will be 54d is equal to 225. All the numbers are divisible by 3. Therefore, a plus 18d is equal to 75 will give number first to this equation. Divide each term by 3. Now, given is the sum of last 3 terms is 429. Therefore, last term is 37 term. Therefore, last 3 terms are T35 plus T36 plus T37 is equal to 429. Therefore, again by using formula for Tn, we will get A plus 35 minus 1 into D plus A plus 36 minus 1 into D plus A plus 37 minus 1 into D is equal to 429. Therefore, A plus 34D plus A plus 35D plus A plus 36D is equal to 429. Therefore, 3A plus 34D plus 35D plus 36D sum will be 105D is equal to 429. Therefore, again all coefficients are divisible by 3. Therefore, by dividing by 3, we will get A plus 35D is equal to 429 divided by 3 will be 143. We will give second number to this equation. We have now two equations which are linear equations in two variables. We will solve these equations by subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. Here equation 1 is A plus 18D is equal to 75 and equation 2 is A plus 35D is equal to 143. We have to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. We will change the signs of second equation. Therefore, A minus A0, 18 minus 35 will be minus 17D is equal to, here minus 143 plus 75 will be minus 68. Therefore, D is equal to minus 68 upon minus 17. Therefore, D is equal to 4. Put D is equal to 4 in equation 1. Therefore, A plus 18D is equal to 75. Therefore, A plus 18 into 4 is equal to 75. Therefore, A plus 72 is equal to 75. Therefore, A is equal to 75 minus 72. Therefore, A is equal to 3. Now, we have the value of A, that is first term, and value of D, that is common difference. We have to find arithmetic progression. Therefore, first term, that is T1 is equal to A is equal to 3. Then second term will be T2 is equal to A plus D is equal to 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Then third term, that is T3 is equal to T2 plus D, that is 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. Similarly, last term, that is 37th term, will be A plus 37 minus 1 into D is equal to 3 plus 36 into D, value of D is 4, is equal to 3 into 144 is equal to 147. Therefore, arithmetic progression is 3, 7, 11 dash dash dash, and the 37th term will be 147. Therefore, given arithmetic progression is 3, 7, 11 dash dash dash, last term will be 147. Now we will see 11th example from problem set. Example is, the first term of an AP is A, the second term is B, and the last term is C. Then show that the sum of the terms of an AP is first bracket A plus C into second bracket B plus C minus 2A upon 2 into bracket B minus A. Here first term, that is T1 is equal to A, second term T2 is equal to B, and last term, that is Tn is equal to C. Common difference will be D is equal to B minus A. Now, by using formula for Tn, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore, value of Tn is C is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, B minus A. Therefore, by changing the side of A, we will get C minus A is equal to n minus 1 into B minus A. Therefore, n minus 1 is equal to C minus A upon B minus A. Therefore, n is equal to C minus A upon B minus A plus 1. Minus 1 after changing side become plus 1. Therefore, n is equal to, here sum of C minus A upon B minus A plus 1 will be C minus A plus 1 into B minus A, that is B minus A upon B minus A. Here cross multiplication. Therefore, n is equal to C minus A plus B minus A upon B minus A, means n is equal to C plus B minus 2A. Minus A become minus 2A upon B minus A. It is value for n. Now we will use formula for Sn, because we have to show that sum of the terms is this. Therefore, for sum of the term, formula is Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore, Sn is equal to, value of n, we have value of n is C plus B minus 2A. Here C plus B minus 2A upon B minus A upon 2 into bracket n minus 2A plus again n minus 1, value of n, again C plus B minus 2A upon B minus A. It is value of n, here minus 1, bracket complete, into D. Into D, value of D is common difference B minus A, here square bracket complete, is equal to this dividation will be c plus b minus 2a upon 2 into bracket b minus a into square bracket 2a plus this subtraction will be c plus b minus 2a minus 1 into b minus a, 1 into b minus a upon b minus a into b minus a is equal to c plus b minus 2a upon 2 into bracket b minus a into bracket 2a plus here c plus b minus 2a minus b plus a upon b minus a into b minus a, b minus a into b minus a will be cancelled. Here b minus b will also 0. Therefore, the term will be c plus a minus 2a. Therefore, Sn is equal to here c plus b minus 2a upon 2 into bracket b minus a into here in second bracket 2a plus here c plus a minus 2a, that is c minus 2a plus a. Again 2a minus 2a will be cancelled, and next step will be, we will complete next step on next page. Therefore, Sn is equal to c plus b minus 2a upon 2 into b minus a into c plus a. Therefore, Sn is equal to, we can write c plus a as a plus c into second bracket c plus b minus 2a upon 2 into bracket b minus a. It is to prove. Therefore, the sum of all terms or terms of NAP is a plus c into bracket c plus b minus 2a upon 2 into bracket b minus a is proved. Next example is example number 12. If the sum of p terms of an AP is equal to sum of first q terms, then show that the sum of the first p plus q terms is 0. P is not equal to q. Here what is given? Sum of first p terms is equal to sum of first q terms. SP is equal to SQ. Now we have formula for Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. By using this formula, we can write formula for SP will be p upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 ऐवजी p minus 1 into d is equal to SQ. What will be formula for SQ? Q upon 2 into bracket 2a plus q minus 1 into d. Here by multiplying 2 we will get p into bracket 2a plus p minus 1 into D is equal to Q into bracket 2A plus Q minus 1 into D. Therefore, multiplication will be P into 2A plus P into P minus 1 into D is equal to Q into 2A plus Q into Q minus 1 into D. Therefore, P into 2A and here P into 2A plus P into P square minus P into D. Here we will change the sides of these terms. Q into 2A minus Q into Q square minus Q into D. Therefore, here 2A is common and into bracket it will be 2A, it will be P minus Q, bracket P minus Q plus here D is common and we will get P square minus P minus Q square minus Q and D is common. Here after changing side it will be is equal to 0. Therefore, 2A into bracket P minus Q plus here in this bracket P square minus P minus Q square plus Q, minus into minus plus Q into D is equal to 0. Therefore, 2A into bracket P minus Q plus here P square minus Q square, we will write adjust terms here and minus sign common into bracket P plus Q. Here after taking minus sign common, the sign in the bracket will be minus, that is P minus Q into D is equal to 0. Therefore, 2A into bracket P minus Q plus here in second bracket P square minus Q square will be P plus Q and into second bracket P minus Q minus P minus Q into D is equal to 0. Therefore, 2A into bracket P minus Q plus here P minus Q is common, P minus Q into bracket P plus Q minus 1 into D is equal to 0. Again here P minus Q and P minus Q will be common. Therefore, by taking this P minus Q common into bracket, there will remain 2A plus P plus Q minus 1 into D is equal to 0. Here last step was P minus Q into bracket 2A plus P plus Q minus 1 into D is equal to 0. Here P is not equal to Q is given. Therefore, P minus Q is not equal to 0. Therefore, there must be 2A plus P plus Q minus 1 into D, that is this second bracket will be 0. Here multiplication of two brackets is 0, but first bracket is not 0. Therefore, this second bracket, that is 2A plus P plus Q minus 1 into D, must be 0. Now we will write the formula for SN, but it is for S P plus Q, that is sum of p plus q terms. Therefore, it will be n upon 2. Value of n is p plus q into bracket 2a plus n minus 1, but value of n is p plus q minus 1 into d is equal to p plus q upon 2 into 0. We will give this equation number 1, and here we will write from equation 1, and this multiplication will be 0. Therefore, S p plus q is equal to 0. Therefore, sum of p plus q terms of NAP is 0. It is to prove here. Here we have taken 3 examples. Now you will have to solve all other examples from practice set 3. Therefore, homework: examples 9 to last example from practice set 3, because up to 8th example you have solved yesterday. Now you have to solve from 9 to last example from practice set 3 from problem set 3. Thank you.